Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a slowpoke. That's right, we're going to draw a cute Pokemon. This Pokemon will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the slowpoke's head and ears. For the ears, we are going to draw a swirl. Next, we will draw in the slowpoke's mouth. It is in the shape of an oval, a really squished oval. Now that we've finished the head, let's put in dots for the eyes and nostrils. You can make the eyes larger, smaller, or super tiny if you like. Have fun with your drawing by stretching out your imagination. You can also add in eyebrows to help the slowpoke to better express its feelings. You can make it happy, sad, or even surprised. For this next part, we are going to draw the rest of Slowpoke's body and legs. I'm going to draw a small half circle on the tips of the legs to show where its feet are. Next, I will start on the tail. Feel free to make the tail longer or shorter. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color in the slowpoke. Let's start with a pink color for the Pokemon's body. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? Make sure to color within the lines and don't leave out too much white space. If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your slowpoke. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your slowpoke's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Next, I will color in the slowpoke's mouth and the end of its tail with this peach color. It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little slowpoke. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as some flowers or a garden. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of Pokemons in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the slowpoke. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.